Okay, I know that from experience, number 6 is a little bit of a monster of a problem. So I'm going to get you started on it over here, and then I'll let you take it away. So number 6, we're going to be finding the arc length, so little s, from A to B of the square root of 1 plus f prime of x. In this case, it's y, so we'll switch that. Y prime squared dx. All right. So the derivative here, let's start with that. Y prime is 1/2. Let's see, the derivative of e to the x is just e to the x, and the derivative of e to the negative x is minus e to the negative x. Second step, we need to square that. And I'm going to go ahead and show it this way. That way, when I go to FOIL, it's going to make a little bit more sense. All right. E to the x times e to the x is e to the 2x. When I do the inside, the inners and the outers, I will add those exponents together. Well, that's going to be e to the 0. And I'm going to have minus e to the 0 minus e to the 0. Well, each e to the 0 is 1, so I'll actually have a minus 2 there. Again, when I multiply e to the negative x times e to the x, I get e to the 0, which is 1. I have that right here and right here, so that actually becomes 2, and then they both will have a leading negative, so minus 2. The next thing we're going to do is add 1 to this. Let's see, let me do this a little bit differently. I'm going to add 1 and distribute. Okay, this is going to factor again. So what's happening, I'm going to go ahead and take out the 1/4. Okay, I just showed you up above how I FOILed to get the minus 2 in the middle. So now I have a plus 2 in the middle. So this is actually going to factor into this right here. Oops. And if you're unsure of yourself, go back and FOIL out e to the x plus e to the negative x. There are a lot of similarities. So if you go and look at this line compared to this line, and then take that back to here, you should see that you can factor that. That is what you're putting under the radical. So when I get ready to integrate, I'm integrating this right here. And I think you can take it from there. So there's some hints to get you started on number 6.